Alright, so this is going to be the round trip between Airside 3 and terminals at Orlando Airport train. These things really are on the edge. Oof. They have a lot of fans on those. Anyways, I'll have to wait for everybody to exit this side. Most of the people are on this train car. So we'll just wait a few minutes for that. Alrighty, back on this train. That door will be closing in just a few minutes. Probably less.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing. The APM is now departing. Please hold onto the handrails. The next stop is gates 30 through 59.
Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance we didn't see you do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer, and we hope you enjoy your Orlando experience.
This one goes a bit faster than the other one. Probably going about 30-ish. I don't think these things hit full speed though. Which is weird because they go faster than this. This probably has to do with the rails, the way they're set up.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the APM stops, please exit to gates 30 through 59.
Anyways, I gotta hurry and run to the other side of the train before it fills up.
The doors are now opening. Please exit to gates 30 through 59. Please watch your step.
Alright. See if I can get over to the other side of this train before it closes. Should be able to get over here. Here we are. Alright. Front side.
I'm going to sit.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing.
Back to this concourse again.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing. The APM is now departing. Please hold onto the handrails. The next stop is terminals A and B.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, I want to welcome you home. If you're one of our 68 million visitors, welcome to the City Beautiful. You've probably been to Orlando for its world-class themed parks and attractions, but you may not know the other half of it. From our professional sports, high-tech and emerging medical industries, to our vibrant arts, there is something for everyone. Enjoy your visit.
I just walked away. They didn't tell me to start doing anything.
Now I gotta go back to the...
Well, it's an
I thought
experience.
they were going to search everybody. I thought they were going to search me.
Oh, it was me.
The guy said okay, and I just like walked away.
Every time it's my head and I'm like, there must be something
I'm
wrong.
not gonna get off this time. I gotta go back to Airside 3.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the APM stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim B. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1.
That one too? You tried to validate? No, but on outside. Oh, I thought you meant, I was like, you did not break the place.
The doors are now opening. Please exit to baggage claim B. Please watch your step.
Did you see the pictures I posted? I did just now.
I gotta go back to the other
Next
side.
stop gates
Terminal.
3259.
So you gotta end this one here. That's it.